Hello students, today I am going to start your next unit, that is unit 3rd of physics, that is magnetic effect of current and magnetism. So in this some basics are there. First to start this unit, first of all there is some experiment. On the basis of this experiment we will start this unit. So Oersted experiment. So what is Oersted experiment? Oersted make a circuit. This circuit means Oersted pass the current through a road. This is a road AB. Pass the current. Okay, this is the circuit, that is here this circuit. Battery is connected here, then key is there, and variable resistor is there. So in this first diagram, the polarity is this, the current is flowing in this direction. And after passing the current through this road, Oersted put a needle behind this road. Suppose this is a road and behind this he put the magnetic needle. What he saw, when he passed the current through this road, the magnetic needle put behind the road get deflected, means from its original position. He kept the needle here. Suppose this is a needle is kept like this, east, west, north and south direction. So needle was kept here, so the north pole get deflected towards this, and then he changed the polarity, means he reversed the direction of the current and again put a needle behind the needle, means this is the behind the road, means this is the road and behind this road he put the needle. So what he observed now in first case the deflection was in this direction, and in case B the direction of this deflection of the needle was opposite. So by reversing the polarity he observed from here that the deflection is in opposite direction. Now how this needle get deflected? Because a current carrying conductor, this wire becomes magnet, means magnetic field is produced around the wire and around this wire. It means this needle, this bar magnet, means this rod becomes a magnet, and another magnet we have put behind it. So a magnet attract the other magnet or repel it. So what he observed from this experiment, that a current carrying conductor becomes a magnet because the needle putting behind this give the deflection, because when a magnet is placed near another magnet it get deflected, and in this case when he reverse the polarity, so it also get deflected. So he observed that when a current carrying conductor develop a magnetic field around it. Suppose we have a conductor, suppose this is a road, and around this magnetic field this becomes a magnet. And if we put a magnetic needle here, so it is also a magnet. This is the magnetic needle. So this becomes a magnet when current will pass through this. So this magnet will attract or repel this magnet, because magnetic needle, compass is also a magnet. So we have put here the compass needle behind this road. Now next is, now this was the observation of the Oersted experiment. So what was the observation? That a current carrying conductor behave like a magnet. Now next is magnetic field. So what is magnetic field? Magnetic field, the another name of the magnetic field is magnetic field strength, is often called as magnetic field. Magnetic field strength, we can say magnetic field strength, magnetic flux density, magnetic induction, magnetic vector. All these are same. Magnetic field strength, magnetic flux density, magnetic induction and magnetic vector. It is denoted by V. Now magnetic field. What is magnetic field? So magnetic field is, if we put, suppose if we have two magnets, suppose these are the two magnets, so these magnet will attract or repel each other. But there is a, if we increase the distance of this needle, suppose we put this needle here and at other point, at another point, then there is a space or a region where it will attract or repel the magnetic needle. But if we put this magnetic needle far away from this magnet, it will not attract or repel each other. So there is a region or a space within which its influence can be felt by the another magnet. So magnetic field is the space around current carrying conductor within which its influence can be felt by the magnetic needle. Now we come to know about the magnetic field around a current carrying conductor. So now what is the nature? The magnetic field that is developed around a current carrying conductor, what is its nature? Then the nature of the magnetic field around a current carrying conductor are the circles, concentric circles. Means suppose we have this conductor, suppose we have a conductor and I is the current flowing through this conductor. I is the current flowing through this conductor when we connected across the battery. So the magnetic field will produce, and how this field will produce? Circles are developed around this, concentric circles, a circle having radius, smaller radius, then again increased radius, so many circles are there but having common center. So the magnetic field is produced around a current carrying conductor are the concentric circles. Means magnetic field produced in the form of circles. Circles will develop around a current carrying conductor. In the form of circles, the magnetic field will produce. Now magnetic field which is produced in around the conductor in the form of circle. Now what is the direction? This is the direction, clockwise it's or anti-clockwise. So we can determine the direction of the magnetic field by right hand thumb rule. So what is right hand thumb rule? Suppose this is a conductor. Suppose this pen, this is conductor, and the current is flowing in upward direction. So if we put this thumb give the direction of the current. This is in upward direction. So these curled fingers give the direction of the magnetic field. So if the current is in upward direction, then the direction of the magnetic field is anti-clockwise direction. And suppose the current is flowing in the opposite direction, means this is the direction of the current. If this is the direction of the current, so these curled finger give the direction of the magnetic field. So curled finger is in clockwise direction. So if the current is in downward direction, thumb give the direction of the current, then the direction of the magnetic field is clockwise direction. So this is the introduction of the magnetic effect of current and magnetism.